In your research, what are some of the root causes of any brain tumor, not just a grade 4 astrocytoma, glioblastoma?
Well, of course, some can be genetic, but 95% of cancers are environmental. So even in something like breast cancer, where you might have a BRCA1 and 2 gene, that risk factor gene, it doesn't mean 100% chance. In fact, it's only about a 13 or 15 to 20% increase over somebody else that doesn't have that genetic predisposition. So first thing I would I think about is absolutely diet. This is one of the areas where we have very good research in terms of some more extreme kind of dietary interventions. Something called a ketogenic diet has been shown to be, well, as effective as standard of care in the published literature. When people say diet doesn't matter, that objectively is not true. That is not what the data says. The second thing is we have to think about how best to establish immune health. And so, like in this case, some really interesting therapies were utilized, some immunotherapies where part of the tumor was taken and then they used that to train the immune system. And these are things that are out there and available. They just aren't as routinely talked about. Asking questions, advocating for yourself, looking for different additional therapies, adjuncts to what is being done, all of that becomes so important.